this sucks. I heard a big bang when I was getting ready to go to work today. Didn't know what it was. Sounded like somebody was trying to get in the house. Look at that. I knew this tree was dead. I didn't know if we could cut it down or not. Didn't know if it was our property. I found out I think it is. We can have it cut down, but a little bit too late now. And look how big this tree is.
I was born in the backwoods of a two-bit town. Firing up some rock and roll, baby, so you mothers can boogie down. I ain't whistling Dixie.
Well, yay! A little bit more down. No wonder this costs so much. This is a lot of effort and know-how.
No, I'm a rebel with a good